A for apple, apple means सेब, बोलो।
A for apple, apple means सेब।
B for ball, ball means गेंद, बोलो।
B for ball, ball means गेंद।
C for cat, cat means बिल्ली, बोलो।
C for cat, cat means बिल्ली।
D for dog, dog means कुत्ता, बोलो।
D for dog, dog means कुत्ता।
E for elephant, elephant means हाथी, बोलो।
E for elephant, elephant means हाथी।
F for fish, fish means मछली, बोलो।
F for fish, fish means मछली।
G
G
for
for
goat,
goat,
goat
means
means बकरी,
बकरी।
बोलो। H for hen, hen means मुर्गी, बोलो।
H for hen, hen means मुर्गी।
I for inkpot, inkpot means the bath.
I for inkpot means the bath।
J for jug, jug means jug.
J for jug, jug means jug।
K for kite, kite means पतंग.
K for kite, kite means पतंग।
L for lion, lion means शेर.
L for lion, lion means शेर।
M for mango, mango means आम.
M for mango, mango means आम।
N for net, net means जाल.
N for net, net means जाल।
O for owl, owl means उल्लू, बोलो।
O for owl, owl means उल्लू।
P for parrot, parrot means तोता, बोलो।
P for parrot, parrot means तोता।
Q for queen, queen means रानी.
Q for queen, queen means रानी।
R for rat, rat means चूहा, बोलो।
R for rat, rat means चूहा।
S for sun, sun means सूरज, बोलो। S.
For sun, sun means सूरज।
T for tiger, tiger means चीता.
T for tiger, tiger means चीता।
U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता.
U for umbrella, umbrella means छाता।
V for van, van means गाड़ी, बोलो।
V for van, van means गाड़ी।
W for watch, watch means घड़ी, बोलो।
W for watch, watch means घड़ी।
X for Xmas, Xmas means Xmas, बोलो।
X for Xmas, Xmas means Xmas।
Y for yak, yak means yak, बोलो।
Y for yak, yak means yak।
Z for zebra, zebra means zebra, बोलो।
Z for zebra, zebra means zebra।